Hello and welcome to another used car video from T.W White Sons Mazda. Today I'm going to be showing you this 19 plate Honda HR-V that's just come in via part exchange. It is a Sport I VTEC. This car is an automatic petrol. Exterior colour is white with red leather interior. What I'll do is I'll take you around the vehicle, show you the exterior condition, and then I'll take you inside and show you a couple of features. So as I mentioned, this car has just come into us via part exchange. It's a two-owner vehicle with full Honda service history. Prior to leaving us, we will be giving the car a full health check, as well as servicing and MOTing the vehicle. This car has some really nice features on it. Got reversing camera, also got lane departure warning, automatic city braking, got lots of nice features. As I mentioned, you've got that camera just there. Starting the boot, really good sized boot in this car. We have given this car a quick clean just to photo and video it, but prior to leaving us we will give the car a full valet. You've also got privacy glass on the rear there, which is nice. Coming into the rear then, there's that lovely red leather that I was talking about. You've got those ISOFIX points either side, as well as a centre armrest. Also got a little cup holder there for all passengers, as well as a 12-volt socket. Coming to the front then, first thing you see on the door here, got all your electric windows. You've also got your wing mirror adjustment. This car does have the power fold wing mirror function, which is nice. Also got a couple of buttons here, got your traction control, also got your motion alarm on there, as well as your lane departure warning and parking sensors there. Coming into the vehicle then, we have got your fuel cap and bonnet release just down there. This car has covered just over 33,500 miles. On the steering wheel then, we've got your cruise control functions on the right hand side, and over to the left we've got your source and volume buttons as well. As I mentioned, this car is in automatic, but you've got the paddles either side as well. On the right hand stalk you've got your auto windscreen wipers, and over on the left you've got your automatic lights. You've got your central infotainment screen here then, which is all touchscreen. You've got your navigation. Also got your phone, where you can connect the car via Bluetooth. You've got infotainment screen here, as well as your audio, and you've also got your settings here where you can personalise the car to how you'd like it to be. You've got a little shortcut and touchscreen functions just there. Just below that you've got your climate control, which is all touchscreen. You've also got your heated seats either side. As I mentioned, this car does have a reverse camera, so pop the car into reverse. You've got that nice crystal clear camera there. You've got a wide angle as well. Just below that you've got your electric handbrake and also your brake hold, so if you're on a hill it will hold you until you accelerate, so you won't roll back down. Further back you've got cup holders, which is a nice feature. You've also got, if I can open it, there we go, further storage back there as well. Overall, as I mentioned, this car's condition is really nice. What I'll do is I'll finish outside the vehicle. If you are interested in viewing this vehicle, please do contact us via phone or email. You can also inquire via the website you're viewing this video on. We can obviously discuss finance delivery, part exchange, that sort of thing as well. Hope you've enjoyed this video. Have a lovely day.